Hi, this is an instructional video for installing glass and aluminum railings. You'll first need to remove the included plastic inserts and replace them with rubber gaskets. Measure from post to post, or simply hold it against the rail and mark where one end intersects with the post. Cut this on your miter saw and insert it in the rails. Do the same for the top rail. Then insert 2 rubber glass blocks on the edges of the bottom rail. It should be about 4 inches from the edge. Now to install the glass panels, you will first need to push it into the top rail. Then pull down and insert into the bottom rail. Make sure both ends are even, and that's it. Please ask about our tinted and frosted glass options.